Hi guys. Instagram has recently released new interesting feature. This is gonna be the next level for Instagram Notes. Now you can post your favorite songs on your notes. I am gonna show you how to post them. Follow these simple steps. Let's first check if Instagram is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there's a button update, click on it and wait till Instagram installs all the latest features and options. Now let's open Instagram. Go to your chat inbox and let's try to add note. Click on this plus sign. New pop-up window will open up. Below your profile image you can see the melody icon. Click on it. Here you can see a new window. At the top page you can find the search bar where you can search your favorite song. Below you can see a button called Saved. It's used as a place for all your favorite saved songs. Below the Saved button you can find two cards. One for you are some songs that are prepared for you. And the second card is called Browse, which you can use for finding songs in specific genres, depending on your mood. Let's add some song note. I will choose this song. At the new window you can choose part of the song that you want to post. Max duration is 30 seconds. After you select, click Done. Interesting thing is that you can also share a thought. Your note will be visible for 24 hours. Click Share. That will be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Support us and see you in the next one.